how you can get the Voidheart in Hytale. So for this I'm gonna turn on the midnight time and I'm in creative mode and I want to turn on full bright so you will see better. And we want to get the Voidheart, and you can get it from night creatures like this one, and you can find it around the Forgotten Temple during the night. So as you can see, it's the midnight, and I'm gonna take out this creature. It didn't drop Voidheart, but only 8 Essence of Void. So you need to keep looking for this NPC. I find another one and I want to try it again. So I'm gonna take him out. It dropped the Voidheart, as you can see, and also some Essence of Void. So you can get it from creatures near this place. They are spawning in the night. Here is another one, you can take him out. And you will need the Voidheart for the backpack upgrade number 2, which is the third line of your backpack. So that's basically how you can find it. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.